Wow, we've really covered a lot of information here. I've given you several ways that you can start making money right now. You've got a clear look at your options, and now you need to decide what's going to be right for you. And educate yourself on how to get started and be successful with what you've chosen to do. You can be an affiliate marketer, a product creator and marketer, or you can provide a number of services. All of these things are proven money makers. So, if you want to be an affiliate marketer, you need to start educating yourself about how to go about it. Then decide what niche you want to go into, find some products to promote, set up a website to promote them, and drive traffic. If you want to create products and sell them, you need to find a niche that has a big demand. Create a product that fills that demand and set up a marketing system that will sell it for you. Remember, your marketing system consists of your sales page, your download page, your affiliate program, all that fun stuff, okay? If you want to provide a service, you need to decide which service you will provide. Equip yourself with the skills to provide the service. That means learn how to do the service. You can go to youtube.com and find tons of free videos that'll teach you how to do basically anything online, like the traffic services and the blogging services and stuff like that, okay? Make sure that once you have your site set up where you're going to be providing these services, that you drive traffic to it. And of course, there's a lot that goes into each of these things, but this is how you start your plan. Okay, so there you go. You've now gotten a crash course in making money online. You are fully equipped to make an educated decision and get started on your journey to true success and freedom. It's now in your lap though. You are in charge of your life. You can do anything in this life that you want to do, but right now, you've got to go do something.